Mastering Possessive Pronouns in Dative Case, a comprehensive guide for German learners. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In this lesson, we'll delve into the intricacies of possessive pronouns in the dative case. Before we proceed, a quick revision of dative articles from Lesson 32 is recommended. Understanding the basics. Let's start by examining a sentence. Hi, ich bin Petra. Das ist mein Hund. Hi, I am Petra. This is my dog. Here, ich is the nominative subject, Hund is the accusative object, and mein Hund is the dative object. In the dative case, possessive pronouns undergo changes based on the gender and number of the noun. Masculine and neuter possessive pronouns. Masculine example, das ist mein Bruder. This is my brother. In the dative case, it becomes, das ist meinem Bruder. Neuter example, das ist mein Baby. This is my baby. In the dative case, it changes to das ist meinem Baby. Feminine possessive pronouns. Consider the sentence, das ist meine Frau. This is my wife. In the dative case, it transforms into, das ist meine Frau. Plural possessive pronouns. For plural nouns, like, das sind meine Kinder, these are my children, the possessive pronoun becomes, das sind meinen Kindern. More examples. Masculine example, das ist Martin. In the dative case, it becomes, das ist seinem Bruder. Feminine example, das ist seine Schwester. In the dative case, it changes to das ist seine Schwester. Neuter example, das ist sein Kind. In the dative case, it becomes, das ist seinem Kind. Plural example, das sind unsere Freunde. In the dative case, it transforms into, das sind unsere Freunden. Summary table. Here's a summary table for quick reference. Pronoun, masculine, feminine, neuter, plural. I, meinem, meiner, meinen. You, deinem, deiner, deinen. He, she, it, seinem, seiner, seinen. We, unserem, sieren. You, pel, urum, uren. They, ihren. Mastering Possessive space, the dative skill. Understanding fall, you kanaviga tefis. Practice ethicant, and soon you will find it. Well done, thanks for joining us. If you found this show, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for morgen. I fio havian isquin. Drop the mint the comments. Viel Erfolg. Good luck.